Bitcoin could rise 2.3% by January 6, according to digital coin price forecast. First up, here's what the price is showing at this moment. Bitcoin is currently up 1.8% in the last 24 hours and sits around $92,862.60. Let's see what the analysts predict today. Digital coin price expects the chart to show $95,117.72 tomorrow, a gain of roughly 2.3%. Crypto Predictions believes Bitcoin may approach $94,247.20. That's an increase of about 1.4%. 30 Rates points out it could test the $93,433 level, an upward move of 0.5%. A separate estimate by Traders Union suggests Bitcoin may head downward toward $92,628.14, a projected fall close to 0.4%. And to wrap up, CoinData Flow predicts $90,029.26 by tomorrow, a decrease of 3.2%. This one shows the highest return potential. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. Let's move from the forecast to the numbers behind them. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a decline of 3.2% and a rise of 2.3%, depending on the analyst. This means CoinData Flow stands at the top with 3.2% climb in value by tomorrow. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $4 and $32 for every $1,000 you invest. In the probability rankings, Traders Union's forecast stands in first place with a 76.9% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. All forecasts together place Bitcoin steady around $93,091.06. Let's look at the details. Consensus expectations indicate a 0.1% move up. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 0.1% if the trend follows through. A 1,000 example position may imply potential gains near $1. In addition, this consensus outlook for Bitcoin carries a probability of about 79.4%. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. Digital coin price sees an upward move ahead. Additionally, Crypto Predictions indicates that Bitcoin could keep climbing. A bullish track is also suggested by 30 Rates. Traders Union expects Bitcoin to stay relatively flat in the coming days. CoinData Flow expects the price to slump further. Analyst views combined indicate Bitcoin will trade in a narrow range over the next 3 days. Looking at the full set of forecasts, most suggest Bitcoin will push higher. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago for tomorrow. Now that tomorrow is behind us, we can review them. As a result, the price ended the day at $91,531.20. With this outcome, only 2 of 5 had the correct forecast. Looking at the numbers, 30 Rates turned out most precise. Now we move from the overview to the specifics. Only one prediction matched the limits of yesterday's move. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts turned positive, led by digital coin price with 1.7%. And here's the verification table. Every result checked and lined up for you. As part of today's review, Traders Union posted minus 1.7% ROI and $1,649.18 accuracy. Take a moment. Who's your pick for the best performing analyst here? Now we'll compare the forecasted returns for tomorrow between Bitcoin and a few other cryptos. Bitcoin doesn't lead in this forecast as Polygon stands highest with 2.8%. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and the wider comparison of profitability among many cryptocurrencies will also follow soon on my website. If you don't want to miss tomorrow's update, hit subscribe and stay ahead. See you in tomorrow's update.